Hello friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Kim. I show everyone how to properly trade binary options and also show you to the easiest and most profitable strategies for you. Before starting this video, I recommend you to subscribe to my closed Telegram channel where I post free signals with 90% accuracy. Link in the descriptions and we start our trading.
So guys, let's start our trading session. In the previous video I told you that we are gonna open $1,000 position today and we got it. Let's make a good profit together, guys. So all the currency pairs have been picked. Let's pick some indicators. The first one is gonna be the Bollinger Bands. The second one is the RSI. Let's adjust them a little bit, set the period to 13 and the deviation 2 on the Bollinger Bands. I recommend you to do the same if you traded this strategy. And the resize is 0 to 13, and basically we are gonna use these indicators in combination with the settings we trade on the 1 minute time frame. Like I said, we are gonna open the $1,000 position. By the way, this is the maximum trade amount, and let's find the next currency pair for the most profitable trade entry. So we open a long position here right away. We've managed to catch a nice trade entry. The trend seems to be changing right now, because there is narrowing of the Bollinger Bands and the price goes sideways. And if we look at the RSI, we see that nothing happening, the sideways trend. Then we look at the support and resistance zones, and basically we need to take the price dynamics into consideration. Also, we can observe the touch of the lower boundary of the channel. And when the touching takes place, we generally open a long, and let's wait for the outcome. There are less than 10 seconds left. Volatility is very low here, clear sideways trend. And the price is gonna determine this trend really soon. Meanwhile, the first position has been closed in profit, guys, and there is no stopping here. Let's find the next currency pair. Let's continue analyzing. We are interested in the highest payout rates, and basically we also observe the sideways trend here, but actually it's not clear what to do here. However, have a look at this very promising level. Let's open a short position. I guess this is a good one. So we observe the sideways trend on the chart. We can point out the resistance zone. The price touched this level again, and the price should start moving downwards into a small correction. If you look at the RSI, the moving average is at the peak, and the correction should take place here. That's why we open the short position. Also, there was the touch of the upper boundary of the channel, and when that happens, we generally open the short. However, when there is the touch of the lower boundary, we open a long, as simple as that. The price is not going anywhere now, so let's watch. The price is close to the trade entry level, a little bit intense movement, and there we go. Another position has been closed with the profits we opened correctly. And let's not drag this out and find the next currency pair. So let's continue analyzing. What do you got here? The price is near the level. So this is the support zone. Well, let's open a long position. I think the upward dynamics is expected here, and the breakout is gonna happen because we should pay close attention to this area, the sideways trend. And here is the touch of the support zone. which we identified early, and I think the rebound is gonna happen and the price will go upwards. Also, there was a touch of the lower boundary of the channel and opening along with the great option here. Actually, it's been a while since the RSI crossed the orbital zone, and based on all this, we opened the position correctly. So, the price is moving near the trade entry level, but still impulse movements take place, but it's too early to draw a conclusion. There is several seconds left before the closing, and there we go, guys. Congratulations, the position has been closed with profits. The breakout has simply happened on the last second, so good job. And let's find the next currency pair and carry on analyzing. So here we can also see the touch previously the uptrend took place, and let's open a long here. I consider the position and the very perspective. If you look at the RSI and take its 70 and behavior into consideration, we realize that the upward dynamics prevailed here, the local lows were updated here and there. Also, there was the touch of the lower boundary of the channel, which indicates based on our previous trades that the price is gonna go upwards. We should also point out this huge correction after which a little pullback is very probable, and I don't consider this wrong thinking. If the price goes sideways, the level of the position entry gives us some interest, and I think the price will be close in profits. The breakout is going to happen on the last second. So let's watch. Very nice. Our position in profits, we got lucky here. The breakout has simply happened on the last second, exactly as I expected, guys. So the price started going upwards, and let's continue the trading session. Let's continue analyzing. What do we got here? So the price has gone down here. Anyway, we should wait for the touch and then open a position. Here we see a strong downward dynamics. The correction has gained moments, so we should hold off on opening here. However, here I think it makes sense to open a long, and we are gonna open extra position if things go wrong. So let's do this, guys. Just to be sure we are safe here, we open correctly, and considering the price dynamics, a strong correction is dominant here. And judging by the previous correction, the rebound is about to happen, and the price is gonna move up to its new price maximum, because the local low has been updated here, and the price is gonna go move upwards. So guys, I guess you got it, guys. There are 10 seconds left before the closing of the first position. I wonder if the breakout is gonna happen, and this is exactly what just happened. The breakout is gaining moments. The first position has been closed in profit, and there are several seconds left before the closing of our additional position, and there we go, guys. Very nice, good job. They are also in profit, so you can't be afraid of taking a risk, guys. So when you trade a strategy, it's kind of complicated to lose. We open the first position here, hoping the breakout is gonna happen, and then we opened a few extra positions just in case, and you saw there was some space for an expected price fluctuation. So let's find the next currency pair. Find the most promising trade entry. We had better open along the direction of the trend. We don't need to think twice here. I will point out the workspace and downward dynamics. dominates here. The channel was getting narrow in this area, and here it expected dramatically. We might have assumed that the rebound was gonna happen here, and then the future correction took place. Here's a little pullback, quite nice one, after which the price is gonna continue going down, follow the trend direction. Actually, the trade entry level is not the best, judging by the candle. So, but it doesn't really matter here. Really strong signals, and it's obvious that the price is going to go down and update its price minimum. The breakout of the previous zone should happen of the previous price range. That's why another position has been closed in profit. Let's make $20,000 on the balance today and find the next currency pair. And we are gonna find the most promising trade entry. So here we've already traded this one. Let's have a look at this. Actually, such moments are not ideal for trading, and here is the same picture. Touch is happening. Let's open a long position, guys, and watch the future correction. It seems to be okay. The price has gone up. I want to point out the support zone here. Previously, this zone worked out perfectly. Look at the streak balance. And now we are gonna see the same things. Also, we observe the minimum here on the RSI, and basically a good correction takes place here, after which the price is gonna go up. So, the breakout seems to be happening. There are literally 10 seconds left before the closing. We got a nice trade entry level. Volatility is not that high. The most important to avoid impulse. Oh, unfortunately, the price impulse is happening, and I guess we should open 3 more long positions here. The principle of the trade entry is absolutely the same. I think the approved our price impulse should be over by now, and now it's gonna be a different story. We want the candle to close as high as possible because there are 2 touches of the lower boundary. The indicators is not gonna mislead us, and I hope we are gonna see at least a small rebound. The upward dynamics should take place here, or at least the price should hold at this level for a while in order to determine its future correction. And basically there are 15 seconds left before the closing, and let's watch. There we go. As you can see, our additional position have been closed in profit. Exactly as we expected, so we took a little risk and we are in huge profit. And let's find the next currency pair. Let's continue analyzing and let's consider several options. So opening 2 positions here seems to be a good idea. Looks really promising, guys. I'll point out the workspace, and it's getting more clear that this is the uptrend, also the updating of the local lows that happened here. Then there was a nice pump and healthy correction followed up. There is the touch of the middle line of the channel, and basically if we consider that there was the flat movement before, now the rebound has happened and the price is going up. Exactly as it happened early, the price was holding for a while, then determined its direction. And the price decided to move upwards. We can see that on the chart, and I think we opened correctly, guys. And there we go. All the positions have been closed in profit, guys. We got $2,000 on the balance, exactly as I promised. That was we've managed to earn today. So let's move to withdrawal. Let's withdraw. Let it be $10,000. Where else the continue button? Our transaction is being processed, so I'd raise it, keep $10,000 on the balance. This balance is gonna work. Thank you guys for watching this video till the end. I hope you understood that sometimes it's worth taking a risk in order to make huge profits. So press the like buttons, subscribe to the channel, and leave the comments down below. Good luck in trading. Bye bye.